On May 23, 2025, officers in Athens, Clarke County, Georgia, stopped a vehicle reported stolen. The driver said she bought it the day before on Facebook Marketplace. Under Georgia Code Section 16-8-7, receiving stolen property requires proof the defendant knew or had reasonable cause to believe the property was stolen. That knowledge element is the whole case.
My name is Officer Miranda of the Athens, Clarke County Police Department.
Okay.
The reason I'm stopping you guys this evening is this is a stolen car.
Do what?
Yep.
I just bought this.
You just bought it?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your driver's license with you?
I did not.
Okay.
I left my purse at home.
You left your purse at home?
I can tell you my name.
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and hop out for me real quick, all right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
I don't have a license.
We're just going to get you to step out. It's a stolen vehicle. We'll work it out.
No, I
Go ahead and hop back.
can
Hop back here for me.
It's reported stolen.
Hop back here for me. You don't need your dog. You can
Yeah, I got you.
hold back here for me, okay? You just bought the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the bill of sale with you?
No, the lady told me that I had to go to the DMV.
To get the bill of sale?
Yeah, and the tag and all that.
Do you have the title?
No, she said that she was going to send it to me.
So, I guess walk me through this transaction.
Yeah, this is the first time I bought this a car.
Yep.
Literally, I met her on Marketplace on
Okay.
Facebook, and she said that I gave her the money, and she said that she's going to meet me sometime tomorrow for the title.
Okay. Your
But I
puppy's
thought
really
I could
cute. I
go-
pet your puppy.
Thank
He's
you.
really cute.
So I thought maybe Monday I could send it
Okay. I got you. So, since I want to ask you questions about this, okay, obviously you're not free to leave right now. It's showing us on. I'm going to read you your rights real quick, okay? Does not mean you're under arrest. It just means that I want to talk to you about it, okay? So do you understand each of those rights?
I want a lawyer.
You do know. Okay, you don't want to talk about it at all?
I just want to see what the hell's going on.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, and the only way I can do that is by talking with you.
Yeah.
And so, but you just told me you don't want to talk to me.
Well, I obviously want a lawyer at all times, but also like if you ask me a question and I answer it, then I want a lawyer.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to me?
I mean, yeah. I mean, am I under arrest? You said no.
You're not free to leave, right? You're detained because the car is stolen.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out if there's...
I just told you. So, am I under arrest? Yes or no? Or like the car's stolen? So what do we do from here? I go to jail or no?
I'm trying to figure that out, okay?
Yeah, I'd like to know because.
Okay.
Just because you're going to be
Okay, here's what we're going to go with, okay? I'm trying to explain this to you, okay? I don't know if you're not picking up on it or what's going on, okay? So, sometimes cars get reported stolen, okay? And it's a civil issue, okay? That's what I'm trying to figure out right now, okay? Is your side of things as to why,
I'm just going to read this to you real quick and then
what's going on, okay?
Yeah.
If you don't want to talk to me, that's okay. It's 100% your right.
I want to
However,
know,
I'm trying to figure out,
like, what the hell did this lady? Did she sell me a damn stolen car?
and ask for a lawyer or stop.
Like, what the hell?
okay, so do you want to talk to me or not?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm talking.
how much did you buy the car for?
$2,500
So you bought it for $2,500.
cash. Yeah.
Cash? Okay. Can you kind of walk me around the whole, like, interaction of everything?
Yeah, seen it on Facebook, and I messaged her and said that I was interested in it. We set up a time and place to meet.
Okay.
And literally, I liked the car, and I gave her the money for
Okay.
it
When did you buy it?
yesterday.
You got it yesterday? From
Yeah.
where?
I got it from Greenville.
From Greenville?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was
Do
coming down here.
you guys live here?
Yeah, I have family here.
You live here? Is this...
No, you blew out of me, so I pulled in.
You were pulling in here before I turned
Yeah,
my
I
blue lights
know,
on.
because
Did you pull in here because you were trying to
this
not...
dog's got a shit. That's
Okay. Who's this guy?
That is my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Okay. How long you guys been together?
For a couple weeks now.
A couple weeks?
Yeah, I've known him for a very long time.
I gotcha. Okay. And you bought this yesterday.
Yeah.
For how much again?
25.
Okay. And there's no bill of sale?
No, like she said, I had to get it from the DMV.
When you say 25,000 or 2,500?
25,000.
25,000?
Yeah,
You told me
like
2,500.
Like either it was 2,500. She told me that the bill of sale I had to get it Monday from the thing, but the title I was supposed to get tomorrow.
Do you have any messages on your phone that I can look at that
No,
corroborate
'cause I
this all?
don't. No, actually I don't.
Okay, you're under arrest, okay?
Okay, fine. So what are you arresting me for?
This vehicle stolen.
Okay.
You have it.
So it wasn't my knowledge that it was stolen. So I would like.
That's correct. That's why.
It's a pretty much conspiracy that I stole the vehicle.
So it's kind of like when we go on, we have to go based on reasonableness. It doesn't seem reasonable.
Okay, so you're gonna arrest me
I was
just
asking. I'm
because
sorry.
somebody reported the car stolen.
You asked me a question. I was answering it
And I did not know, so I'm getting
No, I have a
arrested
cage. I need
for
to-
not
I wanna
being
run.
my knowledge.
for you. You asked me a question. I was trying to answer it for you, but you interrupted me. Would you like me to answer your question?
I would like you to call my dad, please, and my lawyer. He'll call my lawyer, but
jail, okay?
oh, absolutely can. And I will. But this is not. I'm getting arrested for something that under my knowledge, not my knowledge. What the hell?
Hold on, man. How you doing? Have you read him?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you've already cleared that. You probably overheard that his car stolen.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is she to you?
Well, she was a friend of mine. Kind of like making her my girlfriend. And
Okay.
I think the first time she's almost got me in trouble. I cut her off for a little bit.
This is not the first time she's
Almost. She's almost got me in a couple of bad situations.
Okay.
Not necessarily with the law, but just in general.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's almost got me jumped. A couple of crazy things. And she talked me into stayed away from me for a little while. You know, she's trying to talk me into be kind of interested. Talked me into coming to get me. Said she was going to buy a car, and it made it seem like she was actually trying. You know.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Bodycam.
South Carolina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You guys both from South Carolina then?
Yeah, she is too.
Okay. Do you guys stay in here?
I know she's just whatever. She's been having my GPS keeps dying, so I mean, every time we lose direction, we have to stop.
Okay, that's why you guys pulled in here.
It's like the fifth time we've had it.
Okay.
She keeps wanting to bounce.
Okay. What did you guys do in Athens?
You know, as much as possible, man.
Okay. I mean, look, so she's just kept giving me.
She's in control. I mean, I can't.
I got you. And dude, I'm just having a conversation with you because nothing she's telling me makes any sense.
Nothing she said. Like I told him, we'll go to a gas station. I gotta go get gas, and we'll get there. She won't even get out the car. She's like, well, I gotta go to late, and we'll get to late, and it's just like,
Yeah. So, yeah, nothing she's telling me is making sense. So that's how I was trying to figure. Like, I'm gonna talk to you and see if she told you anything. When you guys saw us get behind you, did she say anything? No.
and she's talking about. I don't know. I guess she didn't even know. I don't think she knew y'all behind us. I seen y'all behind us, but I didn't think
Yeah.
you know.
Do you know why she pulled in here?
Well, if she knew that, I don't think she ever, honestly, she didn't know that question. I don't believe. She's done this 4 or 5 times. I don't think that she did it because y'all were behind her. You know?
Yeah. How long have you guys been physically with each other? Like,
Probably since, I wish my phone would actually work with the exact time, probably like 12 o'clock this evening.
today? Okay, so it's 8:15 right now. So, okay. So, 12 o'clock today, where did you meet her?
Easily Walmart.
Okay, in Easley, South Carolina.
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you guys go from there?
Okay, we went from Easley, and then after Easley, I wanted to go stop. But like I said, I wanted to go every weekend. I go see my family.
Mm-hmm. Do you know where you are right now?
No, I don't know.
Okay, you're in Athens, Georgia.
Athens, Georgia.
Yeah. Any idea what you guys are doing down here?
Yeah, we're trying to make it. She come to buy that car, but we're trying to make it home.
She came to buy this car?
Yeah.
When did she buy this car?
Like not even 2 hours, probably about 2 hours. Yeah.
Where did she buy this car at?
Like I told him, I wish I could tell you that I think she's got the street address from the dude on Marketplace, but some FE town between. I guess it had to be Commerce. I don't know, between Livonia
Commerce? Is that what you said?
Yeah, because we stopped in Livonia
Okay.
before she bought the car.
What car were you guys in earlier?
I read one of her friends just drove us a red S10. So
Okay, so somebody else was driving. Did they drive you to the...
yeah, and dropped us off.
Okay. And when... Were you there for, like, the interaction of the...
I mean, yeah, I kind of like popped my
purchasing?
head out and was like, oh, that's
Yeah.
nice, and like, yeah, I think you should do it, and then
Yeah.
let most of it up there.
Who did y'all meet with to buy the car?
Apparently some guy she's seen on Marketplace seen the car listed.
Okay. Do you remember how much she bought it for?
Well, she says $3,000, but I don't believe her. She likes to lie. Well,
Okay.
I don't think she had $3,000 on her.
Okay.
It looked like the $3,000 that she gave her.
It did not look like $3,000?
So I don't know for sure, but she says $3,000.
Okay. So she told you $3,000? Okay. So you guys go to somewhere between Commerce and Livonia to buy the car. Y'all buy the car, and then what happens next?
We're here.
Okay.
Casey, how did the car key get in his pocket?
Well, I mean, I don't know. I have 2 of them. He's my boyfriend.
Where's the second key at?
Cup holder.
Cup holder, okay.
that works to that car? Because we tried to start it, but it just said no key detected.
Yeah, because it's my car.
But nothing personal, but like we've established, it's not your car.
It is actually.
Were you the person that reported it stolen from Clemson?
Why would I report a car stolen and just bought?
Well, you bought a stolen car. And what I was trying to tell you earlier,
I shouldn't go to jail for it.
what I was trying to tell you earlier is your story was all over the place, and it doesn't seem
I know my damn story.
reasonable.
Literally, I went and gave the damn bitch $2,500, and my car turns out to be stolen.
And you didn't get a bill of sale?
Because you're supposed to get it from the DMV, I thought.
No.
Well, I don't know.
And can you provide us any information on this person you bought the car from?
I mean, Marketplace. I can try to show you the messages, but I mean, he has my phone. We share a phone. I don't have a phone right now. Like I do, but I don't have service. So it just got off work.
Where exactly did you go when you bought it?
Greenville.
I'm sorry?
Greenville.
Okay. Like, yeah, but Greenville's a big city. It's, like...
Or Cherrydale.
Like anywhere specific? Walmart parking lot? Police department?
We was at the shopping center.
Which shopping center?
The one right there where there's like a...
Talk to me like I know nothing about
like
Greenville.
There's a movie theater and there's like an old Navy.
I don't have to ask you these questions. We're trying to find ways that we can...
Ask for a lawyer.
Okay. Anyway, so you're saying you don't want to answer any questions.
No,
Is that what you're saying?
I know exactly what the hell happened. I'm telling you what the hell happened and I want a lawyer.
So you're saying you want a lawyer and you don't want to answer any questions. What I was just asking if there's things that we could look at as far as to validate that would have security cameras. Because it's 2025. There's cameras in all these stores. Like Walmart's got a whole bunch. Police department's got them and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But you said lawyer, so you're not only under arrest for the stolen car, obviously. Got a bunch of fentanyl and meth and a pill and things like that. So you're going to go to jail for those as well. Just got to figure out how much. Do you know what the trafficking weight for fentanyl is in Georgia?
I don't know, but yeah.
Okay. I pulled that out of your bag. I was just letting you know, anything more than 4 grams, got to weigh it, and we'll go from there, okay?
That's fine.
See, I know you like to talk. I want you to listen to me right now.
Yeah, you need to listen.
You have a lot going on right now. You're about to get another charge for obstruction.
You need to call my dad immediately.
That's not how this works.
Yes,
When I have in
he
court
is
here, you're under
liable.
arrest. You need to let her scan your fingerprints so we can confirm who you
call
are.
The sheriff now.
In 3 seconds, unless you
call the
comply, you're going to catch an obstruction
I will sue
charge.
the fuck out of you because I'm suing the sheriff department as it is right now.
Listen
so
to
I
me.
suggest you call the sheriff.
No, we're not calling the sheriff. Are you going to provide your finger
No,
to
you
this
need to call
officer?
Danny Singleton. Now.
Who is Danny Singleton?
The sheriff of South Carolina.
Oh, you're not in South Carolina. You're in Georgia. Provide your fingerprint,
there's a
ma'am.
reason.
Ma'am, provide your fingerprint to her. You're going to be charged with obstruction on top of everything else we got going on.
And you're going to mess up an investigation from Boston, so I suggest you please call the sheriff.
No, we're in Clarke County, Georgia.
Yeah.
All right, you're good. You're under arrest for obstruction now, too, and you're going to be booked into jail as Jane Doe because we can't confirm your identity.
You can look it up on Facebook, TikTok, anything you want.
Well, what we need to do is check your driving status and your
I'm also,
Facebook. Facebook doesn't count as
so
Facebook doesn't count as your actual ID out of a state. So
yes, it does. When literally it shows I live in that state. I'm all over that state. I'm from both of here.
okay.
She paid $25,000 in cash. No bill of sale, no title. The seller said, "Get the paperwork from the DMV." That is not how car sales work, and a jury will hear that. The officer read Miranda rights. She responded, "I want a lawyer." 4 words, unambiguous. That statement activated one of the clearest bright-line rules in constitutional law, established in Edwards versus Arizona, 1981. Edwards holds that once a suspect in custody invokes the right to counsel, all questioning must stop until an attorney is present or the suspect freely reinitiates contact on their own. No exceptions for investigative urgency. The officer kept asking. Purchase price, Facebook messages, the bill of sale. Every question after those 4 words is a potential Edwards violation, and every answer she gave may be suppressed at trial. That matters because the knowledge element, did she know the car was stolen, is the prosecution's hardest argument to prove. If those post-invocation statements get suppressed, the stolen vehicle charge loses most of its evidentiary foundation. The drug charges are separate. Officers found fentanyl, methamphetamine, and pills in her bag after placing her under arrest. Under Chimel versus California, 1969, a search incident to a lawful arrest needs no additional justification. That evidence stays in. Georgia Code Section 16-13-31 sets the fentanyl trafficking threshold at 4 grams. The officer flagged that number on camera. Clear that line and this becomes a mandatory minimum trafficking felony which dwarfs everything else here. Officer Mullen gets a B-. The stop was solid. A stolen vehicle report is clear, reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio. Miranda delivered correctly. Continuing to question her after a clean invocation of counsel is where this grade falls apart. The driver gets a B+. Invoking counsel early was the right move. Continuing to talk afterward undermined the protection she had just created. Her account independently matched her companion's on the key facts. The drugs are a separate and serious problem. The passenger gets an A-. Calm and cooperative, gave a consistent account that corroborated hers without implicating himself in anything. Good example of how to handle an encounter like this without making it worse. Lesson for officers. Miranda invocation is a hard stop. The moment a detained person clearly says they want a lawyer, the interrogation ends. Anything obtained after that is at serious risk of suppression, no exceptions for good intentions. Lesson for civilians. Invoke and go silent. The pressure to explain yourself is real, and the officer may keep asking. Resist it. Silence after the invocation would have preserved far more legal ground than everything this driver said after those 4 words. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to break down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.